In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Zoom Breakout Room. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right room, join it smoothly, and get back to the main session without any confusion. First, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting and that the meeting toolbar is visible. On a computer, move your mouse to the bottom of the Zoom window to make the toolbar appear. On mobile, tap the screen to bring up the controls. Look for the option labeled More. On desktop, it may appear as three dots with the word More, and on mobile, it's usually a three-dot icon in the toolbar. Click or tap that to open the additional meeting options. Next, select Breakout Rooms from the menu. Depending on your device and the host's settings, breakout rooms might also appear directly on the toolbar without opening More. If you don't see breakout rooms at all, it typically means the host hasn't enabled them or is not using them yet. In that case, wait for the host to open the rooms or ask them to enable access. Once the Breakout Rooms panel opens, you'll see a list of rooms that are available. Each room usually shows a name and how many participants are inside. Look for rooms that are open and have a Join button next to them. If your host told you which room to enter, select that one. Click Join, and Zoom will move you into the breakout room. If you receive a prompt or invitation to join a specific room, simply click Join when it appears. If the Join button is grayed out or you see that a room is closed, it means the host hasn't opened it or is limiting access. Just wait for the host to make it available. When you're ready to return to the main session, use the controls in the breakout room. Click Leave in the lower right on desktop or tap Leave on mobile, and then choose Return to Main Session. This takes you back to the main meeting without leaving the call entirely. If you accidentally click the option that leaves the entire meeting, just rejoin the meeting as you normally would. That's it. Open the More menu, choose Breakout Rooms, join the open room you need, and use Leave to return to the main session. If anything isn't visible, it's usually controlled by the host, so a quick message to them can help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate breakout rooms with confidence.